Yeah.
So we ran out of tape last time. We were doing the black box ones. Ended up just doing Wrecking Crew that one. So now we're gonna do the Mock Rider. Kitty. Come on, work. Come on, work. There we go. This is the black box game?
Yeah.
Fighting course, endurance course. This is Road Rash. You have guns. This is Road Rash. No guns in Road Rash.
Yeah.
You have a club instead. But even you're only in first. Press forward.
Oh.
Press forward again. A sharp corner. Sometimes you gotta go in a third.
I hate messing with the gears.
Isn't there an auto? Can't you switch it to? That's cool.
This game might be too old. Oof, the frame rate is.
I remember this game.
Well, yeah, it was a black box. If you or a friend probably had it at some point, or you rented it. This is one of the first. Those are the games you'll remember the most. Because those are the ones that most people had. Or the original black box game.
You're driving to first gear.
I had it at third, then I went back down to first.
You crash?
Yeah. Okay, solo's more.
Do the battle so you can fight some
guys. I didn't know how to play. Kitty.
You should keep cleaning them.
Kitty.
Kitty, get out of the way.
Get out of the way.
Prepare to qualify. That's what this is. Pole position with a bike.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna give you guns. That's the interface at the top. What? Here goes so slow you right into you.
No, I went to third gear. This game's hard. You okay?
Yep. You kill me. Okay, this is one of those games you just gotta continuously shoot.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff.
The end.
You only had 1 kilometer left, too.
The end. Let me go again. So you can design it too.
I like how you just like completely.
Yeah, you die too easy.
Yeah, in most games you'd normally get a couple hits before you explode. I like how all the other guys are in like regular cars and you're in like.
They're in like doom buggies.
Yeah.
It's like wannabe Mad Max. That was big back then. That was Mad Max.
I thought Mad Max was old. Was newer.
87.
I thought it was like
87. The original Road Warriors. 86 maybe.
Really?
I could be wrong. Don't quote me, but no,
like
you're thinking of like Beyond Thunderdome. Oh, you mean like the reboot?
Yeah, I think that's the old one. I didn't know Mad Max was a thing.
Oh, yeah, it's totally unique.
All I remember was seeing commercials for like people used to reference Mad Max all the time back in like the remakes are coming out.
That was one of the ones that what's the guy's name? Mel Gibson.
I thought you were in Waterworld.
No, that's Kevin Costner.
Mel Gibson isn't in Waterworld?
No, that's Kevin Costner.
Really? I thought
That's
he was
Robin
the main,
Hood.
I thought he was the main guy in Waterworld.
No, that's Kevin Costner. Mel Gibson is Mel Gibson is Lethal Weapon and Mad Max. He got his start. He's an Australian actor that did Mad Max, and they kind of canceled him.
Mel Gibson's Australian?
Yeah, well, he's American, but I think he was originally Australian. You gotta look it up, make sure that we're not lying. Yeah, because it was Road Warriors, and he had the Interceptor, and it was all British, and it was, that kind of. And then they made Mad Max, which was him as a Road Warrior, which was an epic film. The second was better than the first, just like Empire Strikes Back.
Yeah, that's how it used to be.
And then Beyond Thunderdome with Tina Turner. What's love got to do? That was good, but it wasn't as good as the second. All right, enough of this.